I love ceramics because I don't have to wear a suit to work. No, realistically though, it's, clay is 70% of our earth, and it is constantly regenerating. It is something that will always be here as long as the earth is here, and I like that about it, that it's a sustainable art. There's something kind of nicely historical about that it's this continuation of this beautiful history, and we're throwing it into the 21st century. Plus, we have a lot of fun. We're active, it's not like you're sitting at a desk listening to a lecture all day long, everybody's up and about. But young people don't play in the mud anymore, and I think it's good that way. You get something under your nails and get all grimy and you've got a good excuse for it. So it can be discouraging, it can be humbling. When you sit down with just a lifeless hunk of clay and then 20 minutes later you've got this beautiful object, I think that there's something therapeutic about that. Like today I'm a maker. Today I made something that's going out in the world, and that's just, it's a really good feeling.
I do think that people are afraid in general to take art classes because they don't feel like they're creative.
People come in and say, I'm not very artistic, or I've never done this before. It's like, nobody's done it before. It's complicated, it takes work, it takes time. I always tell them the magic trick is practice.
It's a skill set that you actually learn. Once you learn the skill set, then you can develop your creative skills as well.
But we start with a real nice solid skill base so that everybody walks out of here being able to make some things, and they are able to take things home that they can use. And I think that's a really nice thing. I hate the idea of anybody getting out of, especially with the liberal arts degree, and never having taken an art class. So I love that we're open for that. We get a lot of health professions majors, we get a lot of engineers, we get people from all over the place, and employers are looking for people with creative problem-solving abilities and the ability to interact with people, work in a community situation, and that's what we do in the studios.
Because it's really relaxing and it's nice to just come and do something different.
And I like that it's a challenge too. I like taking risk with clay and like seeing what works and what doesn't.
And there's something really beautiful about the handmade object, that somebody took the time, somebody cared about this thing enough to touch it, to record it. It might be slightly flawed, but that's part of the beauty of it. 30,000 years from now, all of your flash drives are going to be fried, but your pots are going to be here. So make them good. I think that's really important in all the arts, that we're still making, and that the handmade object is something that people still cherish. I think it's kind of beautiful.